Welcome back. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to enable and test dropshipping in Odoo 19 step by step. We'll start by activating the feature, create a dropship product, set up a vendor and customer, and finally watch Odoo automatically generate the purchase order. Let's get started. First, open Settings and in the search bar type Drop. Scroll down to the Purchase and Inventory sections. Enable dropshipping under both modules. This lets Odoo link sales directly with vendor deliveries. Click Save to confirm. Now head to the Inventory app. Click Products. New to create a test item. We'll name it Dropship Product 1. In the Sales tab, set a sales price of $200 and choose the tax rate you prefer. Under Purchase, enter a cost price of $120 and apply the same tax setting. Next, move to the Inventory tab. Here's the most important step. Tick the dropship route. This tells Odoo that the product should ship directly from the vendor to the customer, skipping your warehouse entirely. In the Purchase tab, add a vendor. We'll call this one Dropship Vendor 1 and set the unit price to $120. Click Save. Now switch to the Sales app and create a new quotation. We'll name the customer Dropship Customer 1 and select our product Dropship Product 1. Confirm the quantity as 1 unit. Notice that the system automatically calculates the tax and total. Click Confirm to turn this quotation into a sales order. As soon as the order is confirmed, Odoo automatically generates a linked purchase order to the vendor. Click the small purchase button at the top. You'll see the purchase order instantly created for Dropship Vendor 1. Open that purchase order. The delivery address now shows Dropship Customer 1, not your company warehouse. Exactly what we expect in a dropship workflow. At this point, when the vendor ships directly to the customer and confirms delivery, Odoo will post the cost and sale transactions automatically in accounting. This end-to-end automation removes manual steps, reduces delivery time, and keeps your books accurate. Perfect for e-commerce and retail companies that outsource fulfillment. And that's it. You've just configured and tested a full Odoo 19 dropshipping flow, from setup to automatic purchase order creation. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Odoo tutorials, and visit Katylinks.com or mtbachanicpa.us for expert Odoo accounting and CFO support.